Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make this beautiful beaded ribbon bracelet. I love the way it turned out. You can customize it to your own size, your own likings. So let's get started with the materials. You'd require some beads. I've taken some silver coated beads. You can also use pearls instead of beads. Secondly, you'd require some ribbon. I've taken pink color here. You can choose a different color. You require a pair of scissors and also a needle and some thread. So I've already put the thread into my needle and I've tied a knot at the end. And the thread that I've taken here today is a nylon transparent thread. So that's with the materials. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So I'm going to take the ribbon here, and the ribbon, as you can see, I'm not going to start right at the beginning of the ribbon. I'm going to leave for about 3 to 4 inches. You require this to tie it around your wrist. So leave for about 3 to 4 inches and then get started with the stitching. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to bring the needle up, that is from the wrong side. You're going to insert and bring it to the right side, and as you're going to do that, you're going to insert a bead into the needle like you can see me doing here. Okay, so that's the first step. And then as you bring your needle up, you will put the next stitch right beside the bead. Okay, so right beside the bead, you're going to put the next stitch from up to down. That's from the right side to the wrong side. And please make sure that it's not really very tight. Please leave some space while you put this stitch, because if it is very close to the bead, then it wouldn't look the way that we want it to look like, right? So leave some space and take your needle from up to down like you see me doing here. Now when your needle is towards the down side and you want to bring it up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a space of like my thumb. I'm going to place my thumb, and that's a space that I'm going to leave, and I'm going to bring the needle up, leaving a space. And then as I'm going to bring the needle up, I'm going to insert my second bead. So the space that you leave here is going to form a loop, kind of a shape after every bead. So you want this. So that is why you leave a space, okay? Space of your thumb. So and after inserting the second bead, when you pull your needle tight, the space that you left is going to form a loop kind of a thing. So after every bead, you leave a space and then bring the needle up. So after you do the first step, then you're going to put the needle right beside the bead to secure the bead. Okay, like I said, do not make it very tight. This has to be a little bit loose. Okay, now when you're bringing the needle up, you leave a space of a thumb and you bring the needle up. Okay, when you bring up, it is from the wrong to the right side. So when you do that, leave some space. Okay, that's the space, like, you know, thumb space. And that's it. You repeat the same process. It's a very simple bracelet. It is very easy to make. You just have 2 steps and you just have to repeat the same step. Now it depends on the size of the bracelet that you want. I have added about 8 to 9 beads here to my bracelet, and I keep checking the size of the bracelet that I want by wrapping it around my wrist, and that's how I know how long I want my bracelet to be. So you keep on repeating the same process like you can see me doing here. I'm just going to fast forward it because it's the same step. So repeat the same step till you reach your desired length. And guys, please do subscribe and like my videos to encourage me to make more and more videos. I hope this video clarity is much better than my last video, because I did notice that my last video was not that great. Color was not that great. Actually, I was using an old camera. So I brought some new equipment to make this video. So that's it. So once you reach the desired length, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a knot. So you're going to put the knot on the wrong side of the ribbon, as you can see me doing here. So once you reach the desired length, you just need to put a knot, and that's it. So to secure it even more, I'm adding 2 knots. You can just add 1. and that's it. You can just snip off the extra ribbon that you have, and your beautiful beaded bracelet is ready. And you can share it with your friends as well. And also do not forget to share my video. It actually encourages me to make more and more videos. So that's it, guys. Your beautiful beaded bracelet is now ready. You can customize it to your likings. You can maybe match up with the dress that you're wearing. You can use the same colored ribbon, and it would look very beautiful. And it looks really expensive. When you actually see it, it kind of looks very, very expensive. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks for your time. Do like, share, comment, and also share my video. Thank you so much for tuning in to Crafty Shri, and bye now.